We're seeing incredible social media activity, a dramatic drop in email and even text usage, and the rise of Snapchat and these other picture-oriented social networks and the messaging apps as the primary way to communicate. Whereas the generation before that, the millennials, that might have still been on text and phone, and then the generation before that, it was just phone. So now it's moved into this app world, short attention span, snippets of content, and people, to be popular, having a lot of followers, having a lot of likes, is sort of the new currency for that age.
I think college and college students and younger are really important to a really important group to watch from a CEO's perspective, because those companies really drive the expectation of your next set of customers, right? So I graduated from college and the Macintosh had just come out, and so you saw the expectation of our generation was you'd have a PC everywhere you went, right? And so businesses and software providers like Netsuite would have had to adapt to that reality, because the consumer, that young consumer, was driving the future trends in business. So I think it's really incredibly important to see what millennials are doing, how they behave, because those are the type of customers that NetSuite's applications are going to have to address 5 years from now. If NetSuite's adding, 1,000 employees this year, I want to add 1,000 of those millennials, right? Because you get the DNA and the energy of the next generation business leaders into your company, and it really makes it easier to address the coming changes driven by their behavior when you have more of them in your organization.